Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a brand new Hot Wheels from 2022. It's called the Lethal Diesel from the Hot Wheels Rescue series. It says Rescue right on the side of the car. It's number 2 of 10 in that series and number 12 of 250 on the year. Copyright is 2021. Hot Wheels Rescue, fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. Is that number 68? Or is that number 89? I would say it's 68 because the year Hot Wheels came out. Plastic on the bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. All right here is metal, all the way to here. The bumper too. The back. All four wheels roll well. It does say Rescue. Let's see how it rolls. Nice. This is a really unique looking car. It's long, 4-door. It's almost like looks like a Hummer with an extended front. Alright, let's see how it rolls on my little track here. Ooh, ouch. Speaking of ouch. Oh. Ooh. Bam! That was kind of cool. Let's get back over here a little bit. Complete flip over. Nice. Alright. Let's check out the drifting ability. These little things open? They do not. I thought they might raise up. Come on, Drifty. Whoa, a little too fast. Oh. Cool, that was a nice pose. Yeah. It might be the first time having this casting in my collection. Ho ho ho, it wanted to fall. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And till next time, T10 out.